Welcome to the another tutorial in reading the serial data in desktop application and save then in the CSV file. For this we will create a desktop app using Visual Studio in C#, and connect the app to Arduino using serial port and read the data from the serial port and display the data within the application. And on clicking the Save button the data will be saved in CSV file. Use link in the description box to download the source code.